All right, welcome to the course. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com, and I'll be your instructor today. In this video, I want to spend just a couple of minutes sort of setting expectations and talking about some of the tools that we're going to need for this course. Now, Python and Django, we don't really require a whole lot of tools. We need basically a text editor, something to write our code on. We need a terminal, something to run our code on, and we need to download Python itself. So if you're on a Windows computer like me, you have several options. You have the command prompt and the PowerShell as far as terminals, but those don't work very well. And there's a lot of reasons why we don't really want to use those. So I'm going to recommend we download something called the Git Bash terminal. It's completely free, really easy to set up and use. And so we'll get into that in the next couple of videos. I'm also going to suggest we use the Sublime Text editor, which is this thing right here. Again, absolutely free. This is probably one of the most popular coding text editors out there. I'd say the majority of coders use it, at least 50% of all coders, probably more than that, because it's free, it works great, it's an industry standard. So we'll install that in the next couple of videos. And of course, we need Python. So chances are you may have already installed Python on your computer. If you did, I'm going to recommend that you uninstall it and reinstall it for a reason I'll show you when we do that in the next couple of videos, and we should be good to go. So a couple of more things really quickly before we get started. If you have questions along the way, anywhere along the way, absolutely get in contact with me, shoot me a message, email me, do whatever you have to do to find me and ask a question, because it's really important for me that you understand all the stuff in this course. And a lot of times you can't sort of move forward if you kind of don't really understand what you're learning. So if there's something you don't quite understand, if something's not working for you, if you can't get something installed, if you're getting a weird error and you don't understand it, absolutely shoot me a message. That's what I'm here for. This is full-time my thing. I've been doing this for years and years and years. And I just answer questions all day and create new courses. That's pretty much my life and my job. So I'm here answering questions all the time. Just shoot me a message and we'll get you sorted out. All right, so that's pretty much it. In the next video, we'll jump right in and start installing things.